Take a towel, fold it in length, roll the towel to make a soft roller. Roll it tightly to make it compact. You can also use foam roller which is easily available in market. Sit comfortably with both your legs spread out. Keep your spine straight, shoulder relaxed and down. Place the towel below the knee. Press the knee on towel. Keep your other leg folded. Pull your toe towards you. Slowly start lifting your foot up. Press the knee on the towel. Hold this compression for 5 count. Feel the tightness around your thigh. Gently release. Repeat this 10 times. This will help in strengthening the joint muscles around the knee. Repeat on other side. You can also lie down on your back and perform this. Do the same. Press your knee on the towel. Feel the compression. Hold it for 5 count. Slowly release. For the second one, place the towel between the knee. Sit back comfortably and start pressing the knee against each other. Feel the compression. Hold it for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently release. Do it for 10 times. This will help you to strengthen the internal side of the knee joint. For the third one, place the towel below your ankle and start pressing the ankles on the towel. This will naturally cause your knee to lift up and down, which is okay. Hold it for 5 count. You can also lie down on your back and perform this. Do the same thing, just press your ankle on the towel and then release it. Press and release. Ensure your breathing is normal. For the fourth one, you can lie on your back. Keep your both legs folded. Place towel between your knees. Press the knees against each other. Feel the compression. Hold this compression for 5 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Gently release. Repeat this 10 times. For the last one, we will sit comfortably with our spine straight on chair. Take your one leg up, stretch your toe outside. Hold it, slowly bring it down. Repeat with other side. Take your leg up, down. Take your leg up, stretch your toe out and bring it down. We will do it couple of times. This will help in strengthening the entire leg muscle. Now we will use towel roll. Place the towel roll under both your knee. Sit comfortably with your tall spine. Take your both legs up together. Pull your toe towards you. Hold. Feel the compression. Slowly bring it down. Inhale. With exhale, take your both legs up. Pull your toe towards you. Feel the compression on towel. Slowly bring it back. Repeat it 10 times. Just make sure throughout the process your breathing will be normal. Hold this for 5 count and slowly bring it back. You can repeat it 10 to 15 times.